In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely sandwich. And this is going to be a ham, cheese, chili toasted sandwich. So this one, we're going to do it in the oven. Very tasty, and you should try it. Go ahead, put some butter on. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put on a bit of cheese there also first. So now we're going to place our ham down. If you need more ham, you can add another bit of ham to this. But it's going to be quick and easy. We'll just add a bit of ham to that. Next up, we're going to add some cheese over this. So you can use cheese of your choice. This cheese I'm using is Edam. So it's personal preference, whatever you want to use. Next thing what we're going to do, we're going to add a bit of paprika over this. And the next thing, we're going to add some chili flakes. So now we're going to pop it straight in the oven. So with my sandwich, this is what I'm going to have with it. 3 fried eggs, and that's my morning breakfast. A good way to prepare your breakfast in the morning, and easy and delicious. So now the sandwich, they're out of the oven. So I'm just going to put them on the cutting board. Now, if you want the sides to be neat up, you can just go ahead and just cut them off like this. But this is personal preference. So you can serve them up as they are, just like this. That's how lovely they are. Or you can cut them across. Next way you can cut it, you can just cut them down like so. Just get your plate and put them across like this.